Hi Bearcats, this video will show you how to renew for the upcoming academic year. First, make sure you are in your housing portal, which can be reached from your MySTAM webpage. Once you log into your housing portal, click Apply here. Then, for the term selector, you would click Academic Year 2026-27. Please make sure to accurately fill in the information as you go through the application. On the questionnaire page, make sure you indicate if you are okay to room with the pet. Once you have completed these steps, you will be asked for a $50 non-refundable fee before selecting a room. After the $50 application fee, you would then sign the renewal contract. And then click Save and Continue. Hi Bearcats, this video will go over Phase 2 and 3. Phase 2 will be March 4th and will be females only. Phase 3 will be March 5th and for males only. March 6th will be another opportunity for all students to go in and select a room. After you've completed your housing application, you will need it to go into your My Room page. You would then select Room Selection and Swap. Then you would select the academic year 2026-27. This will take you to the welcome page. You would click Save and Continue. Now you should be on the room selection page. Here you would see all the available options for you to choose from. If there is a building that is not showing up, then that building does not have any available spots at this time. Here you will be able to see the different room types available in the building, as well as the other locations available. If you would like to look at information of the room, please select Showroom Info here. You'll be able to see more details about the room and any roommate information. Once you have made your decision, click on the Add Reservation button. Then scroll to the button and Save and Continue. Be sure to select your bed space. Review your selection and click Save and Continue. You should now be on the application status page. This will show you all the information about what location you have chosen and any roommates. If you would like to look on the My Room page, you should now see your future room and your future bookings. Thank you for choosing another year on campus with SHSU. If you have any questions, please contact the Residence Life office at 936-294-1812. Eat 'em up, cats!